Well, first of all, the name Florida International University is a part of our name, and I think to some degree, whether people have looked at internationalizing FIU in the sense of both defining it in terms of where programs were actually held. It was really the first conceptual piece, and that meant that we had two elements. One, that when we started to develop here in South Florida, we wanted to particularly increase the number of international students, but it was also having a presence of the university in various places, particularly the Caribbean, because of the, just the proximity. So initially a number of programs, as they were evolving, developed partnerships, relationships, articulations with different programs in the areas. And then the disciplines started to shift. For example, engineering, which has always attracted a number of international students, began to be in South America, also to explore some Asian and European countries in relation to partnerships or affiliation agreements. Many of these involved students, but many involve faculty exchange, or in some cases offering some programs. And then certain programs like hospitality, also, which attracted a number of international students, began to look at places like Lucerne and other places where they began to develop the program. So the university has evolved in terms of that, the College of Business being one of the next ones, actually developing a program in terms of international business and programs that were in the university. Some were centers like the Latin American and Caribbean Studies, or LAC. Programs were specifically developed because not only that people have special expertise and research interest in those particular countries, but primarily it was developing relationships with those countries in terms of affiliation agreements. Sometimes it was developing technological support in those countries, like criminal justice. A lot of grants and other programs have been developed with other countries to partner. So the university has developed over time a number of partnerships, affiliation agreements, but also as a result of that attracted students from some specific parts of the world.